Today, the Triple Cities Hiking Club is in the Catskill Mountains. We'll be climbing Windham High Peak and Burnt Knob, a traverse of about 7 miles. Sun's out, should be a great day for a hike.
All right.
And around 3,100 feet, you can see the first good view of the Blackhead Range. Blackhead, Black Dome, Thomas Cole, directly across the valley. We get better views as we get close to the top of Windham though.
Woohoo!
Smile, everybody.
Yahoo!
All right, here we are coming out to the first major viewpoint here on Windham High Peak. You can see the Blackhead Range. On the left, Blackhead. In the middle, Black Dome. And on the right, Thomas Cole, comprising the Blackhead Range.
Yay.
There's another viewpoint here, looking north this time. Beautiful views here. This is time I'm looking up north. And the trees are just spectacular up here at the summit. Ice covered. Wonderful up here. I love it on the top of the summit. So Scott, you say there's a name for this frost you see on the top of the peaks over here?
Called hoarfrost.
Hoarfrost.
I think it's H-O-R. Is that right, Ken? Is it H-O-R frost? H-O-A-R.
H-O-A-R frost. Very
Got
pretty.
an A. Oh.
Look at these pine trees. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful?
Wow, this almost, yeah.
It's like Christmas land or something up here, isn't it, Sharon?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely. Blue sky.
Lovely.
And here we are at the summit. That means lunchtime.
In the old days, documentary.
And the descent down the east side of Windham has some very steep pitches, much steeper than the other side. Very beautiful.
A few people have fallen already, but
Well, we're making our way down. A little bit of ice under the snow. And here we are at a lookout on the way up to Burnt Knob. You can see way in the distance, probably can't see it here, but you can see Albany way over there. I can. Small buildings way over in the distance. City of Albany right there, way in the distance. And here we are at the, was probably the best viewpoint to be had of the Blackhead Range. Blackhead Mountain straight ahead. Black Dome, Thomas Cole. And that wraps up today's Triple Cities Hiking Club hike at Windham High Peak in Burnt Knob. About a 7-mile hike, 1,800 foot of elevation gain. Fabulous day.
See you on the trails again.